Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your logo on the pricerr microjob theme. It's actually very simple process. So here we have the website. I'm going to log into the admin side. Okay, we go to the admin side. First we want to upload the new logo file. I do have a file here, a sample logo I found on the internet. This could be your logo. We want to edit a little bit the file because right now you see it's quite big. I'm going to crop the file here. Crop. Okay. Also, I'm going to make the image a little bit smaller, something like that. Now I'm going to get the URL of the file. So this is my my logo file right here, and I'm going to the layout settings here in the pricerr theme. I go to the header section and I paste my logo URL here. I save. The settings are saved, and now I go to the website, and as you see my logo is now here. Obviously this is like a sample logo and it doesn't look that great, but now you know the process. Oh, and here for the inner pages you have a second field. It can either be the same value, or you can have like a black letter logo, as you see here. So now if we refresh, we will have the new logo here. So yeah, that's about it for the logo change. A very simple process. If you want to know if you want to watch more tutorials, watch our channel, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.